Hello everyone. Statement of the problem is if f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube, then we have to show f of x plus f of 1 upon x is equal to 0. And this sum is appeared in summer 2024 for 2 marks. Now solution for this, given function we have to write it as it is. F of x is equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Now here keep x in bracket and rewrite the equation. Hence f of x is equal to into bracket x its cube minus 1 upon into bracket x again its cube, and consider this as equation number 1. Now we have to find out f of 1 upon x. So what we have to do? We have to replace x in bracket by 1 upon x on both sides of equation 1. Hence we can write left hand side f of x becomes f of 1 upon x, which is equal to, now on right hand side 1 upon x into bracket its power 3 minus 1 upon into bracket 1 upon x its cube. Now simplify right hand side. Hence right hand side becomes, which is equal to 1 upon x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Now we have to simplify this. In second term 1 upon x cube, that becomes x cube, because we know this simplification formula, a divided by b upon c can be written as a into c divided by b. Hence f of 1 upon x becomes 1 upon x cube minus x cube, and consider this as equation number 2. Now we have to prove f of x plus f of 1 upon x is equal to 0, and to prove this we have to consider both the equations, equation 1 and equation number 2. In equation 1 f of x is x cube minus 1 upon x cube, addition of this with f of 1 upon x, and which is 1 upon x cube minus x cube, and here x cube gets cancelled, as well as 1 upon x cube and 1 upon x cube, these two terms are also gets cancelled. Hence right hand side becomes 0, and in this way we have proved left hand side is equal to right hand side of given equation. This is answer.